In this video we're giving an honest review of Sell the Trend, the popular all-in-one dropshipping tool, to see if it's really worth using. Sell the Trend stands out for its AI-powered Nexus tool that helps you discover trending products, along with features like one-click imports, supplier databases, and integrations with Shopify and WooCommerce. Many users appreciate its easy interface, quick product research, and helpful customer support. However, some find the subscription cost a bit high and note that, like any dropshipping tool, it doesn't guarantee profits. Your success still depends on marketing, ad testing, and supplier reliability. For beginners, it's a time saver that simplifies research and store setup, while experienced sellers might find it enhances workflow rather than replaces core strategy. Overall, Sell the Trend is a reliable tool if you're serious about dropshipping, but it's not a shortcut to success. It's a system that works best when combined with smart planning and execution. If you enjoyed this honest take, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward reviews on tech and e-commerce tools.